everyone! I just wanted to post a quick tutorial, and this is for this purple sparkly look. And what I'm going to do first is take my MAC eyeshadow in Parfait Amour, and I'm going to be using my Sigma small tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And I'm going to have it go right up to my crease, and I'm just going to go over it a couple times to give it a darker color. And now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow duo in Joy and Laughter, and I'm using both the colors to blend out the edge of the purple. And they add a little bit of shine and iridescence to the look. And now I'm taking my Sprinkles Eye and Body Glitter, and it's in Tiny Tarte, and I'm using my Liquid Sugar Sprinkles base to apply the glitter. And I'm just patting that gently over the lid. And this is more of a nighttime look, but you could wear it in the day if you wanted to. Now I'm taking my MAC Fluidline in Blacktrack, and I'm going to use my Sigma small eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to draw a regular line first. And then I'm adding the outline of the triangle shape. That's the easiest way to do it, is draw the outline first and then fill it in. This part can take a little bit because it's hard to match the angle on both eyes. Now I'm filling it in. Sometimes you have to hold the skin back so it's a little bit easier to draw on. There we go. So now I'm taking my Tarte eyelash curler, and I'm just curling my lashes all the way to the ends. And now I'm taking my Dior Hypnose Star Mascara, and I'm just applying that and wiggling the brush to coat every lash. This mascara has a little bit of silver sparkle in it, so it would match perfectly. And now I'm taking my MAC shadow in Atlantic Blue, and I'm just going to put that into the crease and blend it into the glitter. It adds dimension to the eye. And now I'm taking the darker color in Joy and Laughter, and I'm just going to blend out the blue a little bit. Add a little bit more. And now I'm taking my Sigma short shader brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of the Atlantic Blue and put that on the bottom lash line, the outer 2/3. Now I'm taking my Tarte waterproof black eyeliner, and I'm lining the outer 2/3 of my inner rim. And I'm putting the mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Now I'm taking my Anastasia brow powder in medium brown, and I'm applying that with the brush it came with into my brows. And I'm just going to comb those out, make sure they look natural. Now I'm taking my MAC Archie Girls blush in Prom Princess, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones. And just blending it out with my big blush brush. And now I'm taking my Bareminerals Ready Luminizer in the Pleasure Trip, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks with my small tapered highlighter brush. And I'm going to apply some clear gloss to the center of my bottom lip. And now I'm putting Hello Kitty ice cream in the inner corner to really open up the eyes, and then finishing that with Urban Decay Vapor. Alright, that's it for the look. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure you subscribe and have a wonderful day.